arrested a fortnight ago. Interrogation details of IM operative Ajaz Sheikh has revealed sinister plot to carry terror strikes in Muzaffarnagar. Interrogation details with Times Now also reveal an email has been retrieved from Ajaz Sheikh's laptop. The 6-page mail mentions plan of terror strikes in Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh. Bhavtosh is joining us on the phone line. Bhavtosh, what details do you have at this point of time?
Well, in fact, this is a first and direct evidence to show that Indian Mujahideen was planning to carry out or is still planning to carry out a terrorist strike in Muzaffarnagar. Now, this email was apparently written and drafted by Riaz Bhatkal, who is the founder of Indian Mujahideen, and also Mohsin Chaudhry. They, in fact, wrote this email and then sent it to Ajaz Sheikh, who was then hiding in Nepal. The mail, in fact, is a 6-page email, and the mail mentioned that the terrorist strike will have been carried out in Muzaffarnagar, primarily because of the communal clashes that broke out last year. In fact, the mail is very similar to the mails that were in vogue between 2005 and 2008, when Indian Mujahideen carried out series of attacks, and then in 2010. This is for the first time that Indian Mujahideen would have sent a mail after nearly a gap of 4 years. Clearly a worrying sign. In fact, agencies have also found out that the place where Indian Mujahideen was planning to carry out the strike was the police lines at Muzaffarnagar.
Bhavtosh, what more details have the Intelligence Bureau and the other agencies really retrieved from here in terms of how big and deep was this plan? For how long have they been looking at these kind of terrorist attacks?
Well, exactly how and when this terrorist strike would have taken place is still not clear, but the mail mentions and goes into detail why Indian Mujahideen wants to carry out a strike in Muzaffarnagar. In fact, Ajaz Sheikh said that this mail was sent to him sometime in March by Mohsin Chaudhry, and he was told that as soon as the attack take place, he should use a proxy server to send this mail to several media houses. Now, this has been the manner in which Indian Mujahideen has carried out terrorist strikes in the country. As soon as a terrorist strike take place, media organizations receive email from Indian Mujahideen in which the terror group explains why this attack has taken place. At the same time, the agencies have also said that in March, 2 Pakistani Fidains were arrested in Gorakhpur who were planning to carry out a strike in Western UP. So agencies have now informed the UP police about a possibility of terrorist strike in Muzaffarnagar.
And does this also have connection with those 2 arrests that were made back in March by the ATS, Bhavtosh, where also there were 2 terrorists who were trained in Afghanistan and were planning to carry out attacks in Western UP?
Yes, in fact, Ovis and Fareen were arrested from Gorakhpur. In fact, they were trying to sneak into the country from Nepal. They were, in fact, arrested in Gorakhpur. The police claimed that they were trying to carry out a strike, a Fidain strike in Western UP. The location was not revealed because it was still an ongoing operation. It's now being said that they were also planning to carry out a similar terrorist strike in Muzaffarnagar. 2 AK-47 assault rifles and grenades were seized from their possession.
Bhavtosh, thanks so much for joining us on that story.